I want to remove this storyboard from my project. This is Details View Controller storyboard that it's actually the leaf in my project, because the project itself starts from here, from menu view controller, then it navigates to submenu view controller, and after that to the details view controller. So the finished version of the storyboard looks like this one. And right now we are going to follow the process to perform the changes. So let's start. So my first intention is to create an SwiftUI component. Okay, let's import Swift. Okay, thank you. Let's create an abstract actually, and it's gonna be item probably. Not items. Item details view. All right, sounds good. Okay, let's create the boilerplate code, and here I'm gonna add text. Okay, and let's copy, and that's it for now. Okay, right now we have an item details view that will replace this details view controller. All right, okay, let's go. In the coordinator, I know that I'm doing the transition. I'm pushing to details view controller and the recipe, all the information we need. All right, for the now, I'm gonna comment this code and let's item details view. I'm going to declare to initialize actually the item details view, and also I'm gonna create a hosting, another variable that will host the new item details view that is a SwiftUI component. All right, SwiftUI, I said, okay, let's import here, import SwiftUI. All right, okay, then okay, let's create it item hosting view, doesn't matter so much right now. We hosting, sorry for typo, hosting view, and for transition to SwiftUI UI hosting, we are going to use UI hosting controller root view. And here we are injecting the item details view that we created. Okay, right now I'm gonna use UIKit feature to push item hosting view created. Let's be sure. And let's double check. Let's double check what we performed so far. If our logic is correct, we should navigate to the item details view, and there we should see that we are on the page item details view. Okay, all right, okay, waiting. Oh, probably I have to, all right, bad. Okay, cool. Oh, nice. So actually we hooked up the flow from menu view controller, submenu view controller, and details view controller. Okay. right now, I'm gonna stop the project right now. I am quite good to move where to delete this component because I don't want it in my project for now. And what else? What else? Here, I'm gonna comment it out because we will follow the process of refactoring. So from here, we actually are good to create and develop the item details view with SwiftUI components. Okay, so actually we deleted the storyboard. Let's see if there is um, any issue with that. Let's double check. Okay, all right. I'm gonna comment it out right now. Okay, let's double check where we have leftovers of details view controller. Okay. Okay, burgers, second. All right, so I see we are good to go. Okay, let's stop the project and remove the logic. Okay, the old logic. Okay, let's go to the item details view controller. Item details view controller. Actually, I'm gonna create a new file. Oops. I'm gonna create new file as SwiftUI. SwiftUI view component, right? Create. Okay, and let's delete this one. We don't need also actually this is gonna be removed later, no problem. But for now, I'm gonna add to views on my screen. I'm gonna use details and item. All right, what I intend to do right now is actually, let's remove toilet comments or unused comments because I don't want use them. Okay, so far so good. We are good to perform and to add all other changes in our project. So first of all, I will embed everything in a VStack. In a VStack. Oh, okay. We are here. Let's fix the alignments. I added them in a VStack. All right. So now I'm gonna add an image and two texts. Okay. Image, image, and text, text. Now test text. Let's do like that. Let's copy it. Second text. Let's rename it to first text. All right, missing. Okay, I'm gonna add test. So you can add everything you want. Okay. At the moment, obviously, we cannot see anything in the on the simulator, but I'm going to inject var a recipe. Recipe because this is the injected recipe that we have here. Oops. Recipe, 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 recipe. Optional. No, I want a recipe. Okay, let init, right? For the completion, it's working fine. Missing receipt. Okay, fix. Okay, let's add and receipt. Okay, receipt. Come on, receipt. Oh, it's extraction. All right, let's do that. Let's inject actually. So some instructions. Just this is for the preview. It's not such much important right now, but you could create your preview more detailed, more realistic. Okay, let's receive and return it. All right. Okay. Right now we have injected. Okay, so it's a lot. We don't want to make any changes. Let's go to the coordinator. We are making all the changes and receipt. Okay, we have the receipt. Receipt, it's an optional one. But let's guard it. Let's use receive. Oh, come on, receive. Receive. Okay, let's use one. Else, I'm gonna return. Okay, and of course, let's inject our receipt. All right, we are in good shape right now. Let's go to the item details view and inject all the stuff we have right there in the all details view controller. Perfect. Okay, we have an receipt. Come on, receipt image name. We have an receipt 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 title. Okay, and we have receipt instructions. Okay, right now we are good to see all the stuff that was in the old details view controller. Let's run to see how it appears on the new component of the SwiftUI. Okay, build succeeded. Okay, just a second to have it on the simulator. Burgers back on. Oh, ooh, you see, we have to add some modifiers to figure out and to fix our code, our UI, because it's not properly good what we are seeing there. Okay, let's resize. Resize image. Resize. Oh, resizable. Oh, so my bad. Okay, I'm gonna use image scale. I don't want. Oh, yes, right. Medium. Okay, let's see what we have. Let's see what we have right now. Okay. Burgers, bacon. Oh, cool. All the information related to receipt we have on the screen. But I want to make it looks better. What I want to achieve. what I want to achieve. All right. So what I want to achieve is this. How to do that? Okay, as you see, it ignores safe area. It ignores safe area. Okay, let's ignore uh, edge, ignore safe area on top. Okay, let's run. Okay, let's see what else we could improve on the UI. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Boom. All right. So I think I have to push it up a little bit. All right, let's add it. Spacer. The completion, where are you? Okay, here we go. Auto spacer. Right now, our application should look okay. Let's see. It's building. Oh, bad. Extra text over there. Okay, let's bring the simulator. Probably the oh no. So I'm gonna stop it again and run it again. Rerun the project to see our modification, if it applied or no. Let's see. We are curious to see that, right? Changes, none. All right. Okay. All right. What we're gonna do? We are gonna align these instructions that are not aligned. Let's put them in a V stack. Let's put them in a V stack, and okay, let's embed them there. Come on. Come on. Okay. And I'm gonna align. Okay. Let's be leading. I'm gonna remove this one. And yes, means to. Okay. Let's run to see the results. If our instructions are aligned, the leaning now. Okay, here we go. No. Okay. Okay. This is a V stack. This is okay. Let's add some padding. Oh. Okay. Let's add the spacer over there. Let's add some spacing, padding, and what else we could do? For now, let's double test the UI because I'm not sure what the results is right now. But let's double check. Okay. Burgers. Perfect. You see, right now everything is aligned properly because we added some padding here, and everything is according our expectation. Okay. We can remove this alignment from there and horizontal. Let's see with this refactoring what we achieved. Okay. Here we go with the simulator. My simulator is slow. It's not such fast, so the result seems to be actually the same. Okay. Okay. All right. I'm gonna add some Heading where? All or top? Okay, let's add a space between at 16 it's enough. So adding a space to all edges with 16 pixels. Let's see. Okay. Here we go. Simulator running right now. You see, we have some space. Okay. Cool. Okay. What else we could do? So actually, we could add font, title, like title 3 or title 2. Let's add title 2. Style, foreground style. That's it. Let's use it black. Probably it's by default black, but anyway, let's do it in code and to be visible for everybody. Okay, for this recipe instruction, I'm gonna use fonts subhead. All right, I'm gonna style it. Style. Okay, foreground style. I'm gonna use it. Is there lights? No. Gray. Light gray? No. Okay, let's put it gray then. Gray. Okay. Let's see. If our changes are reflected on the UI. Here we go. Here we go with the changes. So everything is as we expected. Okay. What else we could do here? What else we could do? All right. I think right now that it's a good practice to add here it's not applied this gradient, but I think I'm gonna add a gradient here. Okay, this time I'm gonna add a gradient. Okay, we know that linear okay, linear gradient. I'm gonna use this linear gradient. I used to create a separate gradient. Gradient. Okay. Gradient with colors. I'm gonna use colors like starting with black. This time I'm gonna use opacity like sorry 0.55 or even more 65. Does so much right now, but I think it's okay. And I'm gonna use this gradient starting point. It's gonna be top leading. It's perfect, fine, and bottom. Oops, sorry, bottom failing. Okay, let's make it more readable and aligned here. Okay, but let me show you the result on the UI. Actually, the gradient it's not applied. It's not applied according my understanding because we didn't do it right. Okay, because you see, we have the gradient, we have it below the image, but we want it on the top. So was my supposition that it's not implemented correctly. Okay, okay, let's do the changes. Okay, let's do the changes. So the changes are right now. Let's add a Z stack this time. Z stack. Okay, I'm gonna add or embed it manually because I don't have auto completion here in the UIKit project. Okay, here we go. Let's run to see. Oh, my bad is that we have added just one color, but I want the second color. I just realized that in the code that it's not correct. I'm gonna stop anyway because it's not rendering correctly. Anyway, you saw the image. Okay, you saw the image black with opacity that it's perfectly fine. That shows that we are in good shape and we are rendering the gradient on the UI. Right now, I'm ready to run the project and to show you something interesting. Let's see. So there you go. So you see, actually, the image is pushed up till this. So actually, it's ignoring the safe area, but the gradient it's not. One way to achieve that is actually to uh, it's add the modifier ignore safe area and to ignore on the top right here. But actually, it's not the best practice to double write double quote everywhere. Or okay, I'm gonna here. Oops, something. Okay, I removed over there the that's it. That's the code. Okay, right now we are checking if everything is fine. Okay. Cool. So our our code is working perfectly fine. So we have a space as you see added 16 here. It's black and the subhead font applied for the instructions. So I'm pretty good with this result. So actually, it's perfectly fine. Okay. Right now, I am very confident. Actually, I'm gonna use to delete the entire file, move to trash. So everything gets moved to trash already. And let's double check if everything is correct. We should um, we should see the last results on the simulator. Okay, it's building, succeeded, and here we go. Just a few seconds more. Okay, burgers. There you go. So our goal achieved. Right now, we don't have any storyboard anymore in the project, and we are happy. Let's see if I need to, and we are happy actually to move forward and to add SwiftUI components in our project. So to conclude the changes we made here in our project, in my project, is that we um, created a hosting view controller, and we actually calling UI host view controller to inject or to embed UI Swift UI component in UIKit. This is the way we should inject the item. The navigation, you saw that it's performed actually by UIKit. We are pushing the navigation controller with the item host view, and here we go with the item itself. That's for now. We are injecting explicitly via dependency injection. Yes, the receive, but there are other ways. Implicit, we could use actually um, environment objects to do that. But for now, I'm happy to follow this dependency injection or explicit injection. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.